Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you high on my roof above Minnetonka today because we are going to be re-roofing this house, but I got something I got to do first. Now this baby got beat up in a hailstorm last year pretty good and nearing the end of its life, so they're going to be coming to change it, but I got a couple of problems. I got my backup solar here I got to remove and get out of here. Here's the third panel for it, but I also have to remove the solar system so that they can re-roof this thing. Now these modules have been up here literally since 2009. 17 years. They aren't producing so good anymore, so most likely retrofit with some new product when it goes back up. I'm going to give this just enough till it wants to get going. I'm going to use this skylight to my advantage. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go, right? So I've got a little extra leverage here. On the ground, felt it hit, and now I just let her drop down easy. Boom, done. Okay, I got the first 1, 2, and 3 solar panels down. You can see I got the electric off and I've got all the wires paired in case I hook something up again. As noted, the conduits down on the ground shattered for all of this. Now it's time to get going on the main system. There's a lip on these that sits on the ladder. Give me a little bit of a break doing this. Okay, numero uno, Cassie. Kathy, number 2. Doesn't want to go. There it goes. Well, now that I got all the solar modules off, just time to pull the rails. This one and the rail with all the old microinverters on it. Okay, I got the big one down, the inverters and all that. Now it's time for this guy. come on down. To look at the old mounting brackets, all we had were angle brackets screwed in. You can see right here where he missed a little bit the stud. Nowadays we got nice flashing systems that slide up and under and prevent any. That certainly was a bit of an effort getting all that stuff down off of here, you know, with the only real glitch being the clips on the ladder that the modules would catch on the one side over here. But slow and steady when you're up here on the roof, which is what I was doing the whole way, and a little bit of help on the way down, helps Turbine Guy get the job done. Turbine Guy signing out.